Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to learn 5 ways to make $200 a day with ChatGPT, all with free methods. If you're looking to make money using AI, you're in the right place. Keep watching. With the rise of AI technology, we now have new ways to earn money online. Today, I will show you how you can make daily income using free AI tools. Our first method is freelance writing. You can use ChatGPT to write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and much more. Freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have employers looking for writers, and you can use AI to speed up the process and earn money. By using AI to write content, you can easily make $50 to $100 a day on freelance sites like Upwork. The second method is creating YouTube content. You can write your script with ChatGPT and then use tools like Natural Reader or PlayHT for voiceovers. With tools like Canva or Pictory, you can easily create videos. With YouTube Shorts, you can create AI-powered content and make money without ever showing your face. Our third method is affiliate marketing. You can use AI to write blog posts, then insert affiliate links for products. ChatGPT can help you create high-converting content, and you can promote products through platforms like Amazon, Clickbait, or Digistore24. You can write product reviews or how-to guides on Medium and earn commissions through affiliate links. Our fourth method is selling digital products. You can create ebooks, guides, and online courses using ChatGPT for content creation. Once your content is ready, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Ko-Fi, or Udemy. You could sell an AI guide on Gumroad and earn passive income. Finally, you can use AI to make smart decisions in the stock market or crypto. AI tools can help you with market analysis, allowing you to make strategic trades and investments. AI trading bots like CryptoHopper or TrendSpider can help you make passive income through cryptocurrency trading. There you have it. 5 ways to make $200 a day using ChatGPT. Start using these free AI tools to earn money online. If you want more videos on making money with AI, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which AI method you're excited to try first. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful.